What is up, guys? The Studios here, and today I'm going to be doing a how-to video, and today's how-to video is going to be how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now, as you guys can see, it is like snowing out a little bit, and it's like, the Rubik's Cube is like all mismatched. I don't know how to say it. It's like messed up. It's all messed up. There's like no way how to solve it and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys how to solve Rubik's Cube in like 3 minutes. Hopefully this video is gonna be 3 minutes, but so I'm gonna switch it for time lapse for you guys to show you guys how I did it. So let's actually switch it for time lapse right now. Go. Okay guys, so I just figured out that solving Rubik's Cubes are freaking impossible, and they're like, if you see a YouTuber doing it, it's just fake. It's 100% fake. They go to the store and they buy another one, like, just to prove it to him. Like, it's so fake, so you can't solve Rubik's Cube, so they're trash. So you know what you do? You shoot it, like, there. You shoot it. Hold on, let me go get it. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You shot it. Look. See? If it's not fixed and solved, you just easily take like a chisel that you can find in your garage and just like smash it. Hold on, guys. Let's just do it more. Yeah, I don't think that, look. It didn't do anything. It didn't do anything, guys. So, like, if you can't find a hammer, you can easily get a chisel. So, yeah. For you guys, but you know what, that's how you solve Rubik's Cube, guys, and I see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.